The impact of noise pollution has been studied in both humans and animals. Research suggests that prolonged exposure to excessive noise can lead to health problems like high blood pressure, stress, and disturbed sleep patterns. For animals, particularly those that rely on sound for communication, urban noise can interfere with their ability to navigate or locate food sources. Interestingly, noise pollution indirectly affects plants as well. Studies indicate that loud urban sounds can deter pollinators, such as birds and insects, reducing the likelihood of pollination in city greenery. This serves as a reminder of how deeply interconnected urban ecosystems are, even amidst the bustle of cities.